InfoSWM is an ArcMap extension of the EPA SWM 5 model that works in ArcGIS. Table of contents consists of different layers, features junction, dividers, subcatchments, conduits, etc. And the additional InfoSWM features of having a 2D model, background and bitmap layers. Subcatchment Manager will define a watershed for you and define the slope, the imperviousness, etc. of your subcatchment or watershed. You can look at each of the different features of InfoSWM by using a browser so you can see what the junction data is. There's a variety of tools available. You can use background information that has engineering review tools. It exports to SWM 5, imports and exports to HEC-RAS if you have transect data. There's also an import and export manager for bringing in CSV data, shape files, DWG files, and DXF files. Scenario Explorers allows you to define different scenarios in your model. You also have a domain manager and a facilities managers. Run Manager is similar to SWM 5, except that we have the ability to have more than the SWM 5 runoff. You can have SCS, unit hydrograph, Snyder, etc. You can run it in steady, kinematic wave, or dynamic wave. Water quality, we also have H2S, corrosion, trace, sediment. We also have the ability to model your simulation using 64-bit engine, 32-bit engine, or multiple cores. You run the model, the output comes up in a HTML. You can review the model data using the Output Report Manager, which allows you to look at the graphs, the tables. There's also a calibration feature so you can have calibration data. InfoSWM, it's built around the SWM 5 engine, so you can import and export easily to SWM 5. You can have a lot of additional features like scenarios, domains, and facilities to basically expand your model capabilities. Thank you for listening to this brief introduction to InfoSWM. You can also find more information at Innovyze blog, and you can look at InfoSWM category to see more information.